Hi there, I'm going to show in this video how to unlock Navon S02 from Telenor Hungary. As usual, we have here unlocked sample. As you can see, it displays invalid SIM, and it's only going to work with the SIMs from this provider. In order to unlock it, I'm going to use the Furiousgold box and the SPD service tool from pack 2 of Furiousgold. So in order to connect this phone, we need to power it off, power it on, power it off, keep pressed the 0 key and insert the USB cable. So let's select from the models list this model, it is 02. In order to unlock it, I'm going to write patched firmware inside. We can get it from the support area. So let's select it in the software. Now I'm going to press connect, and I'm going to do what I previously said. So I'm going to power it off. We leave the battery inside, as you can see. And now I'm going to keep pressed 0 key and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected by the software and the work starts. Okay, the flashing process of the patched firmware starts. It's going to take a few minutes till everything ends. Very cool mobile phone. I recommend it. Has no features. It's simple, cheap. You can throw it to the garbage after you use it. Okay, the flashing process ended and the mobile should restart right now. If everything is okay, should run with the SIM inside. As you can see, we have here Orange Romania running in this phone. Let's try the call. So everything is okay, the phone got unlocked, everything works as it should. Thanks for watching this video and continue to use our products for world first solutions. Bye bye.